Well, alright, friends, subscribers, and internet strangers. What's up? Thought I needed some flair and some drama to this video because I've been making a lot of them in the garage. I haven't done anything in stores because Joni my wonderful wife, is recovering from a double mastectomy. So this will be Bob Ross presents What Did Beardy Find at the Yard Sales? Stay tuned. Alright. I don't know what Bob Ross has to do with this, but it's the only thing I can think of. I could have been Welcome Back Kotter, right? Alright. I should have watched them Welcome Back Kotter and been able to talk like those guys, because I know that.
Are you ready to see me now?
I'm ready to see you now.
Good, because I'm running late. Mr. Kotter.
Here's some of the stuff I found. I've got it laid out on the table. And then, hey, Harlan Tyree. That's who's texting me right now. Harlan's Reselling Adventures. Linked up above. He finally put out his first video. The dude in the red shirt and tan shorts put out a video. So y'all go check it out. Subscribe to Harlan. He's lots of fun. He's a good guy. And he's going to make great videos. He's going to be an awesome YouTuber. So here we go. Lots of experience. He does things different than I do. He does an auction and stuff. So I've talked about that. First up, I paid $20 for this. It's a Yamaha receiver. It's an RX A710. It sells for about 60 or 70 bucks, which doesn't make any sense because the remote sells for 44 by itself. A lot of these remotes, you can make a lot of money with remotes, so don't discount remotes. Stereo remotes they sell just as well as anything else. And this one, I'm gonna show you something. Hey, it didn't have a power cord when I bought it. And one of the things I noticed when I looked it up was the power cord sold for $23. And I'm like, why in the world did the power cord sell for $23? If you notice, it's got the little end that looks like any other computer thing, except for it's only got 2 instead of 3. So it makes it a little different. And so, you know, it wasn't there. So I asked the guy, he goes, man, I might have dropped it. It might be in a box somewhere. He went out back. Man, what a great guy. Fun guy. He talked about this receiver, and he used to be an audiophile and have all this audio equipment, but he's a retired firefighter, and he's just not doing it anymore. So he went inside. He brought 2 boxes full of cords out and finally dug out the cord. Man, what a nice guy. And really made it where much more valuable to me. And I mean, he could have just said he didn't know, but man, what a lot of fun. So here are his speakers that I bought from him. I paid $50 for this pair. They weigh 36 pounds a piece. They are Bose. You can see the Bose here. This is the backside of them for the bass to come out of them. These things are meant to, I believe he said most times he ever saw them, they were hanging because they put so much out the backside. I've turned these things on with a CD player and a phone to that. These speakers will take them as loud as I can play. I know my neighbors are like, what in the hell is the Beardy Picker doing? Well, they probably don't know me as a Beardy Picker. But they are 901 Series 4 speakers. There's each one of them. So yeah, they sell for $225 for a set, plus shipping. And but these here, the tops are a little rough. They also came with this equalizer. So this part is why I bought them. I didn't realize they sound so good either. I'm probably going to end up keeping these speakers. This guy here, the last one sold for $152 by itself. It is some kind of EQ. I don't know what the heck it is. Don't know how it works on these, but there it sits. I'm going to clean it up a little bit, get the dust off of it. But, and they also, in the $50 came this. That's a Bose bass unit for an Acoustimass. I don't know what it's worth. It's not powered, but it came with a deal, so hell, I took it. So let's see. Okay, I bought this voice recorder for $5. I didn't look it up, but I know it's worth more than $5 with the box and the manual. Worst comes to worst, I'll keep it, and when Shane and I go on our adventures this summer, I'll hunt for ghosts with it. If it's not worth more than $20, I'll hunt with ghosts. I'll hunt for ghosts. All right. Old Christmas CDs. If you Jason T. Smith will tell you lots of these Christmas CDs make money. This one is worth $27, I believe, and it's got an ISDN number, but no barcodes. But I use the Amazon has the Amazon Flowout built into it, and it recognized it, so that was good. This one here, it was half price, so it was $3 for this bottom VCR. If you notice right here, it says 6 head and it's 19U. That's something to do with the head. This was one of the last VCRs made. I didn't get a remote with it, but it's still worth, I believe, $75 or $80 on eBay all day long, because this is one of the last ones, the latest technology. The picture is really, really good on 6 head VCRs. So there you go. Next up, this Toshiba player here, and I paid $15 for it. Had this remote with it. The one thing you look for here, recorder, means it'll burn DVDs. That makes these things adds much more value to them. I believe it's worth $90 when I looked it up. No remote with this, but I think I've got one in the box that will work for it. It's just a 4-head Toshiba VCR. I would have bought it, but it was $2. I can't leave a VCR behind for $2. All right, we stopped at a church rummage sale, and I didn't look any of these games up, so forgive me, I don't know what the values of them are. But Game Boy Advance games with their manuals in the boxes, so I just bought them all. There's SpongeBob. I can't imagine he's not worth something. Pirates of the Caribbean. How about we just stack them down? What do you think? Sean Palmer's Pro Snowboard, Cartoon Network. All right, maybe we won't stack them down. Ultimate Alliance Superman. He's probably a good one. A lot of Superman stuff does well. This is Narnia. We got Quad Desert Fury. Need for Speed, Porsche Unleashed. This one's worth $7. I did look it up. Tied to. There's Corvette. And then these are the same thing. Sims, almost everything Sims is worth money, so I bought it for $2. That's probably a loser, but I will put it with a game, so, you know, always have a plan. Baby Pals, I don't know. I can't imagine that's worth a lot of money. And then Exit DS. Yeah. The real winner was this one, though. This guy here is brand new sealed. It was $2. Sells for $33 on Amazon, so that's where she's going. All right. Dang, BP, you picked up a lot of stuff. That can't be the end, right? No, this is intermission. I'm going to entertain you while I try to paint. Not really. Okay. We have to turn to this side. Bearded Picker will pick up shoes. This is the only brand I wear. Got a pair on now. They're Merrill's. I recognize this because I had a pair of their World somethings. Because see the globe on the bottom of them? That's how you can recognize them as their World brand. They were $4. It sells for $40, so can't leave them behind. I don't know if this works or not. It was $1. It's a GE cassette player. The power cords, it has a power cord. It's over there somewhere. That sells for $15. It was $2. If I don't end up wearing it because I have plantar fasciitis in one foot, it'll go on eBay. I know, Bearded Picker. What the hell are you doing buying more cordless phones? Is that what y'all were thinking? Yeah, I thought the same thing. Damn it. But look, what's different about these Panasonics? They are the DECT 6.0 Plus. Like I tell you, the 6.0 is the last one. The word Bluetooth right there. This is Panasonic's latest phones. They are beautiful condition. Bluetooth. Which means, I believe a lot of these, your cell phone can actually connect to these as well, which I believe is what they use the Bluetooth for. But that's a very good set of phones. I should get $30 to $40 for those, and I paid. They were half price at the estate sale, $1.50. So I couldn't leave those behind for $1.50. So if I couldn't leave those behind for $1.50, you know damn well for $1 I didn't have the ability to pass this one up. I don't even know what brand it was. This is GE 6.0. It's got a couple phones. The charger bases, the edge machine, and even got the little belt clips. So yeah, all that. $1. Yeah, that was a no-brainer. And along with that, I've got that's the manuals that go to that one too, which makes that one even better. How people can learn their phones. So yeah, I paid $5 for this set. Kevin, Harlan's brother, actually bought these for me at the yard sales he was at. It was such a big set. Each one of these is worth $12.99. I told him, yeah, he picked them up for $5. Oh, there's a GE right there. Isn't that nice? Everything got scrambled. Sorry about that. All right. Do you know about Bop It? I paid $3 for Bop It XT. There's an Extreme. All these Bop Its are worth. I usually get $24 for them on eBay. This one's in really nice shape. It does work. Make it. There we go. Okay, that's good. So don't miss that. That looks innocent, right? Would you believe that sells for $27 on Amazon? Fisher Price. I don't know what it is about it. I need to make sure that it didn't have a testable. If it does, I'll sell it on eBay. This guy here, last time I looked, sold for $16 or $17. These are Conair hot lather for shaving cream, because you know I do so much shaving, right? Paid $1 for it. That's why I didn't leave it. It's never been used, so I'll sell it as. I'm still gonna sell it used on eBay, but I will note in there that it's never been used. Toshiba. That's the other reason why I bought that. The remote. I did have the remote for it. All right, this was $2. I had to set you guys down. And you think, DP, what'd you buy this for $2? If you open up and look inside of it, it's got a micro SD, 128 gigabyte micro SD card for $2. So yeah, that's a good deal. I had to go on my GoPro. I didn't buy it to put this. It's made to work with Mac or MacBooks or something. I don't know. I bought it for the SD card. Paid $0.25 for these Delta Post-it notes. Yeah. Y'all know I have a problem with memory, right? Thunderbolt cable. Brand new sealed. It sells for $29 on Amazon. I would not sell Apple products on Amazon. You're asking for trouble. On eBay, I can probably get $19 for it. Alright, these go to something. They go to the VCR. $3. I did not look this up, but I will for the video. I know you guys remember these guys. These phones. I didn't even look in the box. I just bought it. Let's see what else is in here. The charger's in here. And there's a wall charger that doesn't even go to this phone. User's guide. Awesome. So yeah. And last but not least, I picked this up for myself. It was $2. This guy here. A Belkin Power Surge. So what do y'all think about my haul? How much of this stuff would you have bought? Would you have bought these speakers? 70 pounds worth of speakers. If I wanna ship them, it's gonna be. I'd have to probably ship separate. It's okay. I don't mind shipping heavy. The one thing I would tell you is you can make a lot of money doing what other people won't do, scared to do, whatever. That pair is worth. Especially if you took the time to look up the equalizer and go, damn, that's $150 right there out of the $50 I spent. So here's some bearded picker math for you. I'm gonna sell this for $150. Gonna keep these two to run with this, which was $20. So the 50 goes to 100, goes to 80, less fees. So for $60 made, I'm gonna keep this, and this. That's some bearded picker math there for you. So yeah, y'all have to hear it. It sounds awful. If I wouldn't get a copyright strike, we'd blast it for you. My neighbors already heard it. They loved it. Some 38 special. They loved it. All right. Enough of this craziness. Hey, thanks for watching. Tickle the like button on your way out. Appreciate you, each and every one of you. Check out Harlan. Do me a personal favor. Check out Harlan. Thank you very much. Roll Tide.